There was a time when a worn-out tire was regarded as little more than useless refuse, destined for landfills, forgotten corners of workshops, or towering mountains of waste that scarred the landscape. Once the rubber had lost its grip upon the road and the tread had surrendered to countless miles of travel, society viewed the tire as a relic whose purpose had ended. Yet history often teaches humanity a remarkable lesson: yesterday's waste frequently becomes tomorrow's treasure. In the 21st century, old tires have undergone a transformation not unlike the alchemist's dream of turning lead into gold. Though they contain no precious metals hidden beneath their black surfaces, their value lies in something equally important: their potential to become new materials, new products, new energy sources, and new opportunities for industry. The rise of the automobile transformed civilization more dramatically than almost any invention since the steam engine. Roads stretched across continents, commerce accelerated, and personal travel became accessible to millions. Yet every revolution carries consequences. As automobiles multiplied, so too did the number of tires reaching the end of their useful lives. A single passenger vehicle may consume dozens of tires over its lifetime, while trucks, buses, aircraft, and industrial machinery require even more. Today, humanity discards more than 1 billion tires every year. Each tire appears insignificant by itself, yet together they form one of the world's largest waste streams. At first glance, an old tire appears to possess little value. It is dirty, worn, and damaged by years of service. Yet beneath this humble appearance lies an extraordinary combination of materials. Modern tires contain natural rubber, synthetic rubber, steel, textile fibers, carbon black, silica, and various chemical compounds designed to improve strength and flexibility. These ingredients are not cheap. Natural rubber requires vast plantations and years of cultivation. Synthetic rubber depends upon petroleum and industrial manufacturing. Steel reinforcement adds strength, while advanced chemical engineering ensures durability and safety. Modern recycling technologies have transformed discarded tires into valuable commodities. The first stage often involves shredding tires into smaller pieces. Steel components are removed using powerful magnets, while fibers are separated through specialized equipment. The remaining rubber can then begin a new life. Crumb rubber produced from old tires finds its way into playground surfaces, sports fields, running tracks, and athletic facilities. One of the most remarkable uses for recycled tires lies beneath our feet. Engineers discovered that ground tire rubber can be mixed with asphalt to create stronger and quieter roads. Rubberized asphalt offers numerous advantages over traditional road materials. It reduces traffic noise, improves resistance to cracking, increases durability, and performs particularly well under extreme temperatures. Drivers may travel for miles without realizing that the road itself contains thousands of recycled tires.